Step into the heart of Sylhet and let its wonders embrace you. Picture this, lush tea gardens stretching as far as the eye can see, their scents mingling with the cool mountain breeze. This is where the beauty of Sylhet begins. Wander through the serene pathways, surrounded by emerald green hills and playful streams. Feel the gentle hum of local life where tradition thrives in every corner. Visit the revered shrines where history and spirituality intertwine, offering a peaceful retreat for the soul. Witness the vibrant festivals, a testament to the rich cultural tapestry of Sylhet. Engage with the warm-hearted locals whose stories and smiles make the experience truly unforgettable. Taste the fresh aromatic tea, a symbol of Sylhet's timeless charm. Sylhet isn't just a place, it's an experience, a journey through nature and tradition. Come, discover the heart of Sylhet and let its beauty and culture captivate you. Your adventure awaits in the enchanting land of Sylhet. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Join us for more adventures.